Hello friends, a very good evening to you all. Today on my channel I'll give you the packing hacks. If you are going abroad or to a far off destination in India like say Port Blair for a longer duration, then what all you have to pack. So this vlog is especially meant for you if you are traveling abroad or to a far off local in India for a longer duration. So first thing first, what do you require the first and foremost? Those are your medicines. These days everybody has a BP or a sugar condition and medicines are taken on regular basis. Without medicine you cannot be well, and if you cannot be well, how you can enjoy your trip? So here are how to keep your medicine tips. So I will show you. Be with me, watch this video till the end, and like, comment and share. For keeping your medicines for the duration of travel, a plastic box like this will do. This is very handy. The medicines come here easily. Any vial or any packing of medicine will come here, very handy. You can close it, and beauty is medicines are visible from the top. You can pick up whichever you have to take. So that's your medicine packing first. Here it goes. Second thing friends, you have to stay connected to your near and dear ones. So your mobile should be with you along with the requisite charger. Here is the charger. So see, charger is there, mobile is there. So you have to keep your mobile charged with the charger, and also you have to take a international roaming as per requirement. Suppose you don't have to make calls from there too much or receive also, then you can simply get it activated for international roaming. If you have international roaming, you can receive the calls, receive the SMS, receive the OTP if you have to make a banking transaction. So simply activating for international roaming will do. If you have to make calls from abroad, then you can take the cheapest package available. You can inquire with the operator, service provider about the packages and take the cheapest one for the duration of travel. So here you go. Third thing friends, first I will show you the laptop. If you have to do regular work over laptop, then you need to take your laptop and the related charger with you. Now comes the biggest requirement for laptop and the mobile. This is the international adapter. So this is good enough for Europe. Here you can see Europe is written. So this part is for Europe, and these two plugs are for US, and it is good for any country. So this simple adapter you have to buy. So wherever you go, like say you go to US, then these things have to come out. I will show you how. See, here it has come out, you can see. So this will be pinned to the socket in the US, and the Indian plug will be put here and it will be charging your device. So that is how it goes. US this, Europe this one will come out. Here is the plug to keep it out. So this thing is required. Please keep it with you. Now coming to packing. So packing means you have clothes, regular ones as well as undergarments. So better to roll the smaller clothes like undergarments, like say this is the brief, so you can roll it. Rolling occupies less space, so please roll it and put it on the upper flap. The suitcase is this one, and this is the cover. So cover, upper flap is there, put on one side your briefs maybe, and the vest on the other side. See how these vests are put. So this is how vests and briefs are arranged, and then shirts on one side and pants and woolens on the other side. Like this you can do. For folding your socks, I will tell you a special technique. Fold it from the lower end like this. Okay? And when you come to the top, Then put the entire thing into the one side like this. This will go inside, I will show you. It is taking little effort, friends. Please stay with me. Like this. Yeah, here it goes. So it becomes a small ball kind of thing. So this sock has turned into a ball by rolling it together, both ones, and you can put it anywhere. Any part of the suitcase, it will come. Finally, when you have packed your suitcase, lock is required. So number lock is very handy. Please prepare a code which you remember easily. Generally 3-digit or 4-digit codes are there. So put this number lock on the suitcase. You can open without a key. You need not carry the key, in fact. Keys get lost. They have a tendency to get lost. So avoid the keys. Put a number lock there. This is it, friends. Now, once your suitcase is packed, there is a limit on the international travel, on the luggage. And the limit is 27 kg, 2 bags per person you can carry. Now you have to ensure its weight. And there is a running length also. So running length means it's this length and this breadth add together and the height. This is the height. So these three things added together should not be more than 154 centimeters. So this dimension of suitcase you can carry with a weight of 23 kg, 2 pieces for one person. And in hand baggage you can carry 2 pieces, one laptop bag and the other cabin bag with 7 kg a piece. So that is how you have to plan your luggage. Carry the maximum, but don't pay the excess baggage charges. Once you have packed your bags, as I said, you need to ensure that it is 27 kg along with 154 running centimeter dimension. So 27 kg means you have to have a electronic portable weighing machine like this one I am showing you. This comes within a cost of say 1000. It is less than 1000. You can buy it because regularly it will be in your use and it will be very useful. So how you weigh, I will show you. This hook is there. So put the hook inside the handle of the luggage and lift it up like this. So here it shows the weight. You can see how much it is. So this you have to ensure to be within 27 kg. I am showing this electronic portable scale once again to you. This is very handy. Please have it with you. Always weigh your luggage. Don't pay anywhere excess baggage. Okay? So these are the packing hacks. Now the most important things I will tell you. Please stay with me. Now you have to carry with you the most important travel documents. Your passport. In case of international travel, you have to have a passport. Then visa should be there. Many countries require prior visa. So visa has to be there. Like I will show you quickly this visa. So visa has to be there along with passport. Second is ticket. What ticket you have booked? This is a ticket. So ticket you have to have of the airline flying to your destination. Then COVID-19 vaccination, full vaccination certificate has to be carried with you. And last but not the least, this travel insurance, because you know abroad the cost of treatment is very high and one can be put to financial hardship. So better to be insured against those expenses. So I will quickly tell you once again, just arranging the papers and then one by one I will show you in terms of the order they have to be carried. So passport with visa, ticket, then COVID-19 vaccination, full vaccination certificate. 2 doses are treated as full vaccination and you have booster, it is better. And then last but not the least, travel insurance which will cover your medical expenses during your duration of stay abroad. So these are the documents all in one frame now. Please carry these without fail. I am sure, friends, you have found my this video on packing hacks a very useful one and of immense value to you. Accordingly, I request you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel Shekhar TravelPlus Vlogs. I will be flying abroad very soon and bringing to you the foreign locations, beautiful ones, on my channel. You deserve to see it. So please subscribe to my channel. When you subscribe, there will be a bell button for all notifications. Please press it for all notifications. Watch all my videos, like, comment and share. And my channel also carries the thanks, also called super thanks tab on each of my videos. Please press super thanks and purchase super thanks according to your wish. That will encourage us to produce more good videos for you. So see you very soon. Till then, bye bye. Have a good night.